Hey y'all, Becky Zinn here, and I'm going to show you today how to use Canva.com, the free version, to create a great social media graphic showcasing your product with a template. So you don't need any design experience, and it's super easy peasy. Like 1, 2, 3, easy peasy. All right, let's get started, guys. So when you log in, you're going to see over here on the left-hand side, create a design. You're going to click on that tab, and it's going to give you a whole bunch of options of things you can create. I know I want to create a social media graphic, so I'm going to start clicking and typing in social, and it's going to come up 1080 by 1080. We want that one, so we're going to go ahead and click on that. It will open up a new screen or tab, however you have it set up, and it's going to bring you to these great templates. Now, these templates are awesome to start working with, and as you do this more and more, you're going to realize you can manipulate things more and change it to fit your personal style. But when you're just starting out, y'all, you can go ahead and oops, I accidentally added something. You can go ahead and just stick with the template because these are professional templates made by professional designers. So all of the layouts are great. All you have to do is insert your image. So let's grab this one. This is free. And I know it's free because when I hover over it, this little black free circle comes up in the bottom right-hand corner of the image. If you hover over it, they usually have a price tag if they cost extra money. So we're going to grab this image. And now we want to add one of our product images. If you don't already have them uploaded, you simply go to uploads on the left-hand side. Then you click this teal button that says upload an image or video. You click on it and it will open up an option to grab an image. You can go ahead and grab any image, click on it, and it will upload into this left-hand panel. Now I want to actually use an image I already uploaded. So we're going to use this really pretty pink and yellow image over here. Now I can either click on the image and then I can manipulate however I want it by dragging it to fit it how I want, or you can grab it, click and drag it, and once you drag it over, it will automatically fill in the background. I like doing it this way, just personal preference. It usually fits it exactly how I want it to. If not, you can adjust it by double clicking on it. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to use the text exactly how it is. I'm going to start by putting my social media handle up here in this top box so that people can find me on social media. And then we definitely are not going to talk about it's World No Tobacco Day because we are not selling that. So we are going to sell our product and let them know something fun. There's a new spring collection. And then down here, you'll notice that this is a grouping. So it's got two boxes, this rectangle box and then the text box. I'm going to simply go up here to the top right and hit ungroup. That will allow me to click this box. I want to delete it. And then I'm going to drag this one over here. I'm also going to add my website so that people can go ahead and check out more if they are interested. And then I'm going to put that in the bottom right-hand corner. And I'm done. You guys, that's it. And now all I have to do is download and share online with pride because it looks great, professional, and it's going to tell my customer exactly what I want them to know. So I'm going to hit this download button in the upper right-hand corner. I'm going to make sure it's a ping file. Go ahead and hit download. And you are ready to share. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope this helped. Go make some more graphics.